Well, even as the centre says there's no shortage of fertilizers on the ground, it's something else that we're seeing with the Rabi sowing season starting across the country. Long queues of farmers being seen at government-run fertilizer centres in many districts of UP. This even as the government of India has claimed there is no shortage of fertilizer in UP or anywhere in the country. Remember, we've seen similar visuals from Madhya Pradesh, from Punjab as well. Visuals from Hardoi and Aligarh in the western part of the state showed hundreds of farmers in long queues, some of whom said they've been waiting for hours for a sack of fertilizer. In both districts, government and police officials could be seen handing out paper tokens to farmers to make the process of fertilizer sale more orderly.
4 बजे बुला रहे
मिली नहीं अभी तक?
अभी नहीं, धक्का मुक्की कर दिया। हमारा आधार कार्ड जमा कर दिया।
जो किसान भाई लाइन में लगे हुए हैं, उसके उपरांत भी उनके परिजन भी काफ़ी संख्या में आ रहे हैं जो उनके सहयोग में आते हैं। अपील की गई है कि भीड़ न लगाएं, जिनको टोकन जारी है वही लोग आए। प्रशासन के द्वारा टोकन व्यवस्था जारी करके ही खाद का वितरण किया जा रहा है ताकि कि किसी भी तरह से कालाबाजारी को रोका जा सके।
खाद की जो है कमी थी उसको शॉर्ट आउट कर लिया गया है और इस समय जिले में पर्याप्त मात्रा में खाद है। अब उसको सुव्यवस्थित तरीके से बंटवाने के लिए हम लोग प्रयास कर रहे हैं। जैसा कि आप देख रहे थे, यहाँ थोड़ा सा पॉश मशीन में परेशानी है, तो उस परेशानी को दूर करने के लिए हमने जो है फिजिकली पर्चे बांट करके और बंटवाने का मैं जो है सिस्टम यहाँ पर लागू करा दिया हूँ और मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि सभी जगहों पर इसी तरह से जो है किसानों को कोई परेशानी ना हो और हम खाद बंटवा दें।
Let's go across to Alok Pandey now for more. And Alok, even though the centre has denied there's any kind of shortage, we're seeing, these sort of scenes in several states. And we've seen them in Madhya Pradesh and Punjab and now in UP as well. These endless lines of farmers waiting for hours to get a sack of fertilizer.
Well, you're absolutely right. Like you said, that while the government claims that there is no shortage in all states, that is what they are saying. But these scenes are repeating themselves in different states. For instance, if you look at today's data, the overall availability of fertilizer seems to be more than the demand that is being generated across the country. But even so, there are states where there are red flags. Uttar Pradesh, of course, we are seeing these shots, but the local administration is claiming that the stocks are available. It's just logistical issues that are being sorted out, etc., etc. For instance, in Madhya Pradesh, the availability of DAP, which is an important fertilizer at this point in time, is less than the overall requirement. That's one state where there is a red flag. Then again, in Bihar, the availability is lesser than the requirement. In West Bengal, the availability seems to be lesser than the requirement. This is why I'm talking about DAP. Overall, like I said, the government continues to insist that there is no shortage, particularly in Uttar Pradesh, which, as we know, is a coal-bound state. So this is what the government is claiming. So one waits to see how this will pan out. But it's very important for the farmer to get the fertilizer at this point of time because, like you said, and like we know, the Rabi sowing season is starting up. In fact, in many places, the crop is already being sown. In some places, they are getting ready to do this. So one hopes that, the farmers will manage to get their fertilizer in lesser time. There was also some shots that were sent to me from Unnao where, some black marketing at private centers is happening. So all of these issues need to be addressed.
All right, Alok, thanks so much for joining us with those details.